I just did. Bitch didn't say anything about Danny Kane.
Oh, Jesus.
Just got up from a nap. Just gotta take the trash out. Here's the alleyway where we are. Show you our view from our alley. So this is the first time I've washed the windows on this thing, and it's been 2 months. I didn't realize how hard it is to get up there. Me and the FJ, that window was super small, easy to reach. It was wide. It had 3 windshield wipers on it. This thing is way bigger, way taller. I think somebody should come up with some kind of step right there. You can stand on it so you're able to at least get up here and wash the windows. My ass is on this, and I'm a 6-footer. It's hard to get up there. I found more than one crack. I found a bunch of pits from rocks. There's a few pits, but the major crack is, I don't know if you can see now the window's clean. There's a couple of cracks. I have one kit for one crack, so I might have to get a few more. And then washing the window, there's some paint overspray, which tells me there was an accident. That's the great thing about taking these vans and pulling them apart. You find everything. And it makes sense because I can see right here, this thing, somebody got it, this van for, and I was just tired of looking, and I wanted to get started on this. She's not perfect. She's got bumps and scratches all over it. I was OCD with my FJ, and I didn't want to park it anywhere near anybody. I didn't want any door dings, scratches. But, you know, that worked out in the end for me because when I sold the FJ, I got back what I wanted for it. No questions. I'm not selling this van either. Also, we took it on a drive today, and the wife was mentioning she'd like to get window tint. And I was thinking no window tint because these windows are the reason why we want to go on these road trips and see all that panorama clearly. But it does get hot in there, so I don't know. What are your guys' thoughts on window tint on the front 2 windows over here? I also found some window tint. It's just a UV tint. It's not a color. It doesn't darken your window, but it keeps the heat out. I think that's some high-tech shit. Here's what I got. So I think I can only do one for right now. My needle. It's the only needle that I'm gonna see ever. That, and a cool sticker. I think I'm gonna post this on Instagram and show everybody that I did a shot today. Oh, Instagram. How I hate it so much that I created this t-shirt. Clean the pit. It's pretty clean. Take this bad boy, peel it, and stick it right over the crack. Alright, I'm on step 8 out there. Now it's gonna sit for another 20 minutes. So that'll give me time to put these last screws in or get this latch lined up proper. Well, that looks like garbage. Look at that. Man, I don't like doing cabinets like this. Okay, I think I just broke it. OCD time. I'm gonna redo it. That should be enough. Yeah, I'm good with that. There's a squeak back here when I drive, and I found the culprit, and it's a board that I didn't bolt down. I'm finding every little pip squeak in here, and I'm gonna nail it. I'm gonna have the quietest van. All right, I'm on step 9. I removed the little pedestal thing off of the glass. It peeled off pretty easy, and already that crack is gone. All right, I did the last part where it gives you a clear strip of plastic and you dump the rest of that resin on the pit of the window, and then you put the plastic over it to smooth it out. Now I gotta park in the sun for 15 minutes. So I gotta turn this bad boy around, sit in the sun for 15. I'll be right back. Well, I got a few little things out of the way today. Nothing major, but I did manage to clean up this crack here. I mean, you could see it in the shadow, but you can't see it right there. But you can't really see it in the glass. And I cleaned up some of the windows. I need to get some kind of cover, because there's my bed. Oh yeah, since I did the cupboards up here and I finished off what I needed to in there, I think I can put the mattress in finally. We got some rust issues to take care of. Just gonna brush that down. I got some butyl tape or whatever you call it. I'm gonna take this lens off, seal it up, waterproof it, and then grind this down, give it a coat of paint. I found a roof rack on Amazon for 69 bucks. All I'm really looking for is the mounting brackets, because I want to get an awning, and I'm not using a roof rack right now. I don't have anything to put up there, so I'm thinking about just getting the mounting brackets and putting them up, because I'm going to use it for the other side, but where the barn doors are, I want to put an awning there. 69 bucks. I think I'm going to pull the trigger on that, because that's not a bad deal. I may grind down the tops of them because they're a bit tall. I don't really want it to stick out like a sore thumb, so I'll probably grind it down. But yeah, it's another project for another time. Man, I wish I could put my fan in so I could just have it on while I'm working in there, but look at that clearance. I barely fit.